So this is a Dutch Village club level suite. You come in here. We've got a little catch-all closet. Your bathroom here with a soaking tub and a walk-in shower. You've got your closet here. Into your bedroom area with king-size bed and a desk. You've also got your premium bar here with your fridge. It's got your alcohols, juices, sodas, waters. You've got a small sitting area that goes out to the patio with a Tranquility soaking tub, and this overlooks the main pool in the Dutch Village area with the beach. This is a club level room, so it does come with room service 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. along with the VIP lounge.